Welcome back in Reading Comprehension. Hope that you are enjoying this story very well. Dear friends, must judge yourself in your real life that what kind of friend you are. Are you like Basit or you are like Raheel? Well, let's read the para today. After a while, Basit heard his friend coming down the tree and guessed that the bear had gone away. थोरी देर में बासित पंहिंजे दोस्त खे वण तां हेठि लहंदे हुन जो आवाज़ ॿुधो ऐं उहो बि अंदाज़ो कयो त रिछ परे हलियो वियो हो. He stood up and looked at Raheel angrily. हू उथी बीठो ऐं कावड़ मां राहील ॾे निहारण लॻो. But Raheel, instead of feeling ashamed or apologizing to his friend for having abandoned him, just asked excitedly, Basit, what did the bear whisper in your ear? पर राहील जीअं त हिन खे हिते अहिड़ी मुश्किल में हेखलो छॾे वियो हो त उन जे लाइ शर्मिंदा थियण या माफ़ी घुरण जे बदिरां हुन वॾी हैरानीअ मां बासित खां पुछियो, यार बासित, रिछ तोखे कन में छा चयो? From his position high up in the tree, he had seen that the bear had brought its face close to Basit's head and thought that the bear had said something to his friend. हुन वण तां मथे वेठे हेठि ॾिठो पिए त रिछ पंहिंजो मुंहुं हिन जे दोस्त जे मथे ॾे कयो हो वेझो ऐं पोइ हू अॻिते हलियो वियो हो. त पोइ हुन जॾहिं इहो मंज़रु ॾिठो त हुन इहो अंदाज़ो कयो त शायदि रिछ हिन जे दोस्त खे कन में का ॻाल्हि कई आहे. Thank you very much, dear friends. Just practice in English, only English accent. Thank you very much.